Wayne, turn that shit off.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Halicia, but I go by Lee, and we're gonna do a little vlog slash like get ready with me. We are headed to go see my girl SZA. I got to go see her. Why are you laughing? That is my girl, okay? That's my girl in my head. We went to go see her a couple of years back at Warehouse Live. Was it For Control? I don't know. This was like 2018. Smino opened for her at the time, but she came to Houston. Now, I don't know what's going on, SZA. I don't know if she felt some type of way last time she was in Houston. I don't know.
No, they didn't have no venue available.
What you mean? Long story short, I feel some type of way because she's not coming to Houston, but that's okay because we are going to go to her. She is performing in Austin, so we're literally headed to Austin to go to the SZA SOS. Please, someone help me. We're gonna go to her concert. I'm super excited. I'm actually wearing Nick's jersey, his Supreme jersey, because I didn't get to get my SZA SOS jersey because it sold out in the size that I wanted to get it in. So yeah, just come along the journey with us to the concert tonight and to Austin and then back to Houston. I feel you. I'm not ready either.
We're gonna meet you at the club. We'll come.
All right. I was like, oh, this is gonna be cute. It's cool when they do it. It's a problem when I do it.
circuits are busy. Please try your call again later.
Hendrix. And why should I be the one to have to say we're done? And why should I be the one to have to cry at night? And why should I be
back again? It is Friday. I used to be a teacher, and I actually just saw one of my students at the store, and he's like, you don't remember me? What kids don't understand sometimes is that it's like he looks so familiar, but I couldn't put like a name to a face. But what kids don't understand sometimes is that when I taught elementary and middle school. A lot of these kids are now adults. Like, I think he told me he was like 19 now. Babes, like, you don't look like the same 7th grader that I taught. Like, you're a grown man now. But it's always good to like see some of my old kids. They're always so excited to see me, and I be so happy about that, because I'm like, you must have did good as a teacher. But anyways, I'm actually headed camping. Yeah, I'm going back out of town. I'm like all over Texas this weekend, which is pretty crazy to me, but I think it's kind of good because I've spent so much time out of town, like in other countries, in other cities, in other states, and now it's like, all right, girl, turn up in your city. So I'm going on my family camping trip. My family is actually already there. So y'all know yesterday I was in Austin for SZA. So obviously I couldn't be in 2 places at once. So I skipped the first night of camping. And I'm only going to be camping one night because I actually have to come back to Houston tomorrow. So this is just about to be crazy. I mean, the weekend is going to be lit, but like lit in the best way. I'm very kind of excited about it, but I had to stop at the sporting goods store, Dick's preferably, and get a tent and an air mattress because mine did not come in. So Amazon, count your days, because I ordered it on Prime 2 days ago, and I was supposed to get it yesterday, and I was supposed to get the rest of it today. Now it's saying it's gonna come tonight and tomorrow. I don't have time for that. Like, I gotta drive out of town. Like, I don't, what? And I don't want to drive at night, especially not where we go camping at. For one, driving on Texas country roads, I don't think that is like super safe. There is a lot of sundown towns in Texas. I don't know if I'm gonna pass through any of them, but I'm not gonna do it either way it goes, because I know the state that I live in, and I don't play with people like that, and it just is what it is. So let me go ahead and get on this road, get to driving, because now we full on the freeway. So now that I'm in traffic, let's just talk about SZA. SZA did not skimp on anything when it came to this particular SOS concert. It was fully on brand with SZA. She had like this, it was almost like an NFT virtual reality screen, but it was boxed in, so you got like these very realistic views, I guess you could say. It was dope. In some of the scenes, she had like a ship. I don't want to give too many details, especially if people are going to go to SZA, but I know y'all already seen the clips. Like, and it was just so good. And what's so crazy is that initially when we got there to the stadium, she didn't have like a runway down the middle of the center of the stage. And I had told my husband, I was like, oh man, you know, I wish that she had like a runway so that, you know, like everybody could see her. She ain't need that. She didn't need that, because what she had in store for us, I had no idea. Like, I had literally no idea what was being planned, but she had the dancers, everything, y'all. It was so good. Like, when I say I sung my heart out the entire concert, she took us back to like some of the older songs and stuff. She ended up playing our wedding song too, because I use Garden as my wedding song. I've loved that song for years. And yeah, I was just shook. Like, I was just like, oh my gosh, this is a vibe. I love her so much. So I'll leave it at that, but 10 out of 10, I would recommend. It's worth it. So now I'm like, Beyonce has to bring it, because them Beyonce tickets was high. And I got my ticket, but they was high. I didn't want to pay that much. Like, I mean, Beyonce tickets was like breaking the bank. And it's tax season where we got to pay taxes. Okay, like, girl, them, what's going on here? Them seats was so expensive for Beyonce. I was low-key considering, I was like, maybe I should go see Beyonce in another city, because I think it's gonna be cheaper. Because in Houston, ma'am, Ma'am. I made it. I'm not gonna lie, I get the best sleep of my life when we do these trips, and it's actually like a legit, like it's a campsite. I have to figure out where they are because most of these people are in RVs and we ain't got no RVs. We be in tents. So yeah, I just need to figure out where they are. And there's a lake so you can fish. Welcome to my humble abode for the evening. I'm about to set it up, but she cute, okay? Jerk wings, baby. Crispy jerk. Super jerk. They bussin'. I think it's because of how crispy they fried too. That's it.
Man, eat this shit to the bone.
Who cooked your wings? Who cooked your wings?
I ain't bring no wings.
You gonna make a pile of pine needles?
I was supposed to bring wings. And some liquor.
We're back, guys. It's Saturday. Left camping this morning. Unfortunately, I did not want to leave too because it was a good vibe. But I left and I'm now about to go do this panel. I'm going to try to bring my camera, but I'm by myself. So y'all already know how that goes. It's so hard to record yourself by yourself. So you know, it is what it is. But yeah, your girl's dressed. I'm cute. I have a fashion show after this, but I'm going to go home and change real quick. So let me just walk in here because this place is cute and I've never been here before. I'm going to bring my camera just in case, but we'll see if we use it. I say I'm tired. I'm tired. I feel like today has been such a long day. It's already almost midnight. Yeah, 11:43, which is crazy. I thought that I was gonna be asleep by 11 o'clock. That did not happen. I've been up all day. I've been traveling all day. I've been here and there all day. Yeah, so I don't have any more to give. And then on top of that, I'm hungry. So I'm literally in the line to pick up some fast food. Yeah, so this is ghetto. This is my life at the moment. This is unfortunate. I do not need to be eating fast food at all, but I'm doing it anyways. I actually do it more often than what I need to, but I just wanted to come on here and say that I hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog. The fashion show was lit. Honestly, I've never really seen Houston. We typically don't have events like this, so I absolutely love that Cash did this. I thought that it was really, really dope. The panel today was amazing. 10 out of 10. So it's been a really good day. And I was sad about leaving camping because I was like, I don't want to leave. But I'm actually glad that I came back to Houston and did what I needed to do, because today has been 10 out of 10. Okay? And I would recommend. And I met so many people today. So many amazing people today. I wish I wasn't like rushing, I guess, from spot to spot, and now I'm just exhausted. Like, I can't wait. I'm about to dive in this bed. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I thought I'd turn this off.
Wayne,
Wait.
turn that shit